Employee turnover costs businesses millions, not to mention the time and stress involved in replacing those workers. It costs anywhere from $3,000 to $9,000 plus to replace the average hourly worker, with costs growing even higher for mid-level and experienced employees. So how do you keep them around? Surprisingly, over 75% of the reasons team members quit has nothing to do with wages, even for lower income workers. So what are the reasons? What do your workers really want? At Qlicket, we tell you exactly that. We offer a solution that allows you to easily see your workforce's obstacles, motives, and values, allowing you to understand what will keep them fulfilled and engaged in their roles. Best of all, we provide the information in real time, along with curated solutions and content, allowing you to address the issues when it matters most. After all, business growth is just as much about retention as it is acquisition, both for customers and employees. So, schedule a demo now to learn how Qlicket can help you retain more employees and get back to growing your bottom line.